Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Datadog alerts to Slack channels step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Datadog account. Navigate to the Integrations tab in the Datadog dashboard. In the search bar, type Slack and select the Slack integration from the list. Click on the Install Integration button if it isn't already installed. You will be directed to a configuration page. Here, you'll need to add your Slack workspace URL. Next, click on the Authorize button to link Datadog with your Slack account. Once authorized, you will see options to configure your integration. Decide which Slack channel you want the alerts to be sent to. Copy the channel name including the hash symbol, for example, #general. Return to the Datadog integration configuration page. Paste the channel name into the designated alert channel field. You can also customize the message format for the alerts. After configuring your message settings, scroll down to the section for alert types. Select the alert types that you want to receive notifications for. Make sure to enable the appropriate options per your requirements. Once everything is set, click the Save Changes button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that the integration has been updated. To verify the connection, you can trigger a test alert. Head over to the appropriate section in your Datadog dashboard. Create a test alert based on your chosen criteria. Once triggered, check the specified Slack channel for the alert notification. If you see the alert in your channel, the integration is successful. If the alert doesn't appear, revisit the integration settings to troubleshoot the connection. And that's it. You've successfully connected Datadog alerts to your Slack channels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.